If you're wondering how to track bugs in teamwork.com, you've come to the right place. Teamwork offers a solid way to manage your team's projects, and in this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to efficiently track and manage bugs, helping you stay organized and deliver a flawless product. You might think tracking bugs is just about keeping a list, but with Teamwork, you can do so much more. Whether you're managing software development or just trying to keep an eye on issues in your current projects, Teamwork's bug tracking capabilities streamline the process. And the best part? You can use this software completely free with our exclusive bonus offer from the first link below. Now, let's get started. First, head over to the Projects section within Teamwork. You can easily create a project dedicated to bug tracking, or you can use existing projects to manage your bugs. To start tracking, click the Tasks tab and add a new task. This will serve as your bug report. Give the task a clear title, like Bug, Issue Name. A good title ensures that everyone on the team can easily identify the problem. Next, in the task description, you can outline the bug in more detail, describe what happened, when it occurred, and any steps that were taken before the bug was noticed. Adding these details helps your team understand the issue and reproduce it for troubleshooting. You'll also want to include any error messages or screenshots to give more context, which is crucial when you're dealing with software bugs. Then, set the priority of the task. Teamwork lets you assign priorities to your tasks, so you can mark the bug as high, medium, or low. This helps you and your team understand how urgent the issue is and organize your work accordingly. Moving on, Teamwork allows you to assign the bug to a specific team member. If you're managing a team, assigning the right person ensures that the bug gets the attention it needs. You can also set deadlines so everyone knows when the issue should be resolved. It's a great way to keep everything on track and ensure bugs don't fall through the cracks. But what makes Teamwork even more powerful is its ability to track progress. You can update the task with notes as the bug is investigated and fixed. When a team member works on a bug, they can mark it as in progress or resolved, so you always know where things stand. Plus, you can add comments to tasks, facilitating smooth communication between your team members and helping them collaborate on fixing the bug. Another key feature is the time tracking option. If you're tracking bugs that are time sensitive, this can be extremely useful. You can track the time spent on each bug and see how much time has been allocated to fixing it, helping you improve team efficiency and plan better for future bugs. Lastly, once the bug is resolved, don't forget to mark the task as complete. Teamwork also allows you to archive completed tasks, making it easy to refer back to past issues if necessary. This creates an organized history of all bugs, helping you identify patterns or recurring issues down the line. And if you're just starting out with Teamwork, remember that you can try this out for free with an exclusive extended trial offer by using the link in the description below. You'll get full access to Teamwork's features, so you can explore even more ways to make your projects more efficient, beyond just bug tracking. So to wrap up, tracking bugs in teamwork.com is not only simple, but also effective. Whether you're a solo developer or part of a team, this software gives you everything you need to stay organized and ensure bugs are handled promptly. Don't forget to use the link below for your exclusive extended free trial of Teamwork.